Also, articulation of the way I play jazz. A lot of people pick every note. And Mike Stern picks every note, but he loosens his grip on the pick, so he creates. See, I couldn't even pick every note. So he gets notes to pop out the way Charlie Parker got notes to pop out. You can't read a Charlie Parker omnibook and just play the notes on there. You have to listen to how he plays it, because many of those notes are accented. Many of them are ghosted, like barely heard at all, barely audible. So my right hand not being great, I have that in common with John Schofield. He always complains about his right hand. I try to develop a sense of swing by having a hammer-on, a pull-off, or a slide going from the and of the beat to a number. Now I couldn't there. But there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's putting a natural accent on the offbeat, and I'm not playing triplets. I don't ever try to play triplets. If the feel comes out that way, that's fine. But when someone says that jazz is playing triplets, that's just, no, jazz, you'll play jazz by playing the way you think it should sound, and the more jazz you listen to, the more it will sound authentic. Don't think about swinging the eighth note. Just try to make it feel good within the group, and that will swing if you listen to a lot of swing and you play a lot of this music. That said, this is an articulation thing that I have worked out for, on every lick I play, on every bebop head I play. It's 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I can't do it every time but I learned how to play that in a specific position, so I could have as many hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides from the and of a beat to the number, because I think it swings a little better and I'm not fast enough with the right hand to pick every note. Props to people like Frank Gambale, who can pick every note and still swing. They're geniuses and incredible artists. But that's how I negotiate that. That's how I play bebop heads. So that's how to make the math swing more.